Hey guys, I'm Sabrina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Candyflossedit channel, and yeah, so welcome. Today's video is gonna be me trying um Turkish snacks. I like about a month or 40 days ago.
You are a liar, actress. Several days later.
I was in Turkey, and yeah, so me and my sister we got quite a lot of snacks for our family to try, and so pretty much all of my family tried them but me. So we're gonna do this. If you are new, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comments. I do fashion videos, and sometimes I do snack trying. I try some new snacks from different countries. So please make sure to subscribe and like and comment. Let's do this. So the first thing is swami. I don't know how to pronounce it. So I took a good pictures, a video, clip of them before when they were like new. So so we look. This is like normal crackers, you know. Very they look normal. They're good. I'll give them from 1 to 10. I'll give them a 5. Up next we have Rocco. Let's try through the green one. They like gummies. Not gummies, but kind of gummy. They taste just like how you would expect them to taste. Like candy. Really nice. Nice. I'll give them a 6. Guys, I have braces, so the gummy texture is kind of painful to my teeth. A bit painful. I have like a couple of wire. So next we have some nuts. No. I don't even remember picking this up. Maybe my sister picked it up. Very normal. Really good. And that's another one. So next we have this. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it because I don't want to make a mistake. Suzy. It's like biscuits. I want to see what's inside the biscuit. It smells different. Is this like cheese? Guys, I don't know, but this one tastes really different. I thought it was gonna be like chocolate. This is a savory snack. It's salty. I think it's cheese. It's really good. It kind of like makes you think like, oh, what was there? But yeah, it's really nice. I like it. This one is an 8 as well. This one is Tarku the Tarku Helva. This is how it looks. I don't have a spoon. No. This is how it looks. Just nutty. Just nutty. It's nice. Guys, what is this made of? It's just a bit nutty, no? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I really like it. This one is a 7. It's really good. It's really different. By the way, guys, when I was in Turkey, I've tried so many foods. I've tried like a kunafe and baklava, and I tried sandwich, a kebab sandwich. I tried, of course, tea. What else? Anyway, I'll pop some pictures here. But I've tried quite a lot of foods there, and it was quite an experience. It was really lovely. I did not want to. I wish I had more time to stay, but you know. Yeah. This one, it's like the other one. This one is the same. When I was in the guest house that I was in Turkey, I tasted something like this texture, but yeah, it was really nice. It's nutty as well. So you guys, you can tell me what this is. It looks really nice. Oh my god. This is how it looks, you guys. By the way, my family eats a lot of it, so that's right. Peanuts. Just like peanuts. I think it's the one. It's very similar to the one I tried at the guest house I was in. So good. So good, you guys. Guys, this is like an 8. So good. What's next? What's next? There is this one called Siki Sahan. Guys, forgive me, I don't know Turkish. This looks like a cake. Just try it. It looks super cute. Looks cute, right? Let's do this. Brownie. So you guys, this one is really nice. I would give it a 7. It's yummy, it's a brownie. Obviously it's gonna be really good. We bought some like chickpeas. Oh my god, this is I have to hurry because my camera is about to die. So we got some chickpeas. They have no salt in them. Really yummy. A 7. Also got some that have some flavor. What do you call it? has this one tastes like chips, like tastes sweet, like Lay's or something. Really nice. This one, I'm 8. Guys, and lastly, I actually chose this one, so I'm excited. Some sweets. Guys, let me know, please, the names of every sweet because I do not know. I just do not know. I really loved how it looked, and it looks really yummy, and I was like, yes, I should do that. So the first one, it looks like this one. First of all, really surprising. It's really it's really chewy. It has pistachios on the inside, doesn't it? Oh my god. So good. This one is like this one is like 7.5 just because the chewy texture. It's really hard for me to chew it because I have braces. But it's really nice. I recommend it to everyone that hasn't tried it before. Next is this one. Again, let me know please the name. It's oh, is it gonna be chewy as well? Uh-oh. Is it dates? No? Wow. Again, it's chewy. Not this, not this. Is it like Turkish Delight? With some like nuts on top of it? I think so. What do you think, guys? Is it like Turkish Delight? This one is like a 6. I don't love it. I like it, but I don't love it. It's this one. It has a nut. Yeah, this one looks. Honestly, because all of this is so good, this one doesn't come. Doesn't do anything for me. Sorry. This one is 5. I wouldn't buy it. See, is it the same one? It looks a bit different. It looks a bit different. Is it like another flavor? I think it's Turkish Delight flavor. It's a 5, I'm sorry. Oh, this one looks cute. Are this pistachios? This one, I'm excited. I think it's going to be kind of like the same Turkish Delight, but with pistachios on top. Oh my god, like literally my mouth is like so sweet right now. I feel like I can taste things very well. So sweet. So sweet. I don't know if I can taste things. This one is a 5. I can't taste anything. I just taste sweetness. So you guys, we also bought these Turkish Delight. Yeah, let's try them. Again, my family already tried them. So this one, by the way, my camera died, so I'm back. Sweet and nutty. Mm. Really good, like 8 out of 10. Really good. The second one, it looks like lemon. So let's try it. See, it's orange. Let's see. Hmm. What orangey? Nice. So it's 8 too. Another one. Uh-oh. So it's like fully white. It's like snowing in here. Oh my gosh. Hmm. Yeah, it's pretty much really good as well. I don't know what this one tastes like. I don't know. But it's fully white and it has a bit of like, it has nuts as well. Mm. This one is like bluish, reddish. Hmm. It is like blueberry or raspberry. Mm. I'm not sure, but it's really nice. Delicious. And 8 as well. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it. I really enjoyed Turkey when I was there, and you can check my Instagram at Candyflossedit. Um, I have so many cute pictures, and I still post like a lot of pictures because I took so many. And yeah, and I also bought for myself this like to store things in, like pencil or something. Yeah, and I bought this thingy. Yeah, that's it's in Istanbul. Super cute. I'm like so happy with it. And yeah, so by the way, you guys, I've done a snack tasting video before. That's me and my sister trying American snacks. So you can go ahead and watch that if you enjoyed this one. And subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you later. Bye. So I was in the middle of filming another video and I found out that I forgot 3 snacks. So I'm back and yeah, so let's do this. There's this one that's called E.T. Brownie Intense. It's like a chocolate brownie cake. Yeah, it's like chocolate, not brownie. Here's a brownie. Mm, it's good. This one I would give it a 7.5. It's good, but it doesn't have like a strong brownie flavors. Next we have baklava. I actually tried baklava in Turkey, but let's try this one. This one is sold in a box, small. It smells so different, it smells like cinnamon. Mm-mm, mm-mm. I don't like it. It does not taste like baklava, the actual one that that's sold and not in the box like in Turkey. And I'm not a fan. Oh my gosh, this one is not good. This one, like a biscuit, right? This one smells like biscuit. What, chocolate? It's so good. It's good. It's like um a 7. It's like the same brand. That's it. I can't read it because it's in Turkish. So let's try it out. It's a biscuit. Mm, It's good. Good. It's very it's nothing special, but it's good. I like it. It's a 7 as well.